Hello, my name is Katis Gabriel, Unit 5, Medical Practitioner 1, Exercise 1. Write sentences to describe the work of the specialist in each branch of medicine. Example, dermatology. A dermatologist specializes in diseases of the skin. Rheumatology. A rheumatologist specializes in diseases of the joint. Exercise 2. Complete the table with word from A, B, and C in related form. Put a stress mark in front of the stressed syllable in each word. The first one has been done for you. Example, verb, specialize, noun person, specialist, noun activity or tenant, specialty, practice, verb, practice, noun is noun person, practitioner, noun activity or tenant, practice. Exercise 3. Find prepositions in C opposite that can be used to make word combination with the word in the box. They use the foreign form of the word to complete the sentences. Example, a pathologist specializes in diagnosing diseases through examining cells and tissue. A pediatrician must enjoy working with children. Exercise 4. Make word combinations using a word from each box. Two words can be used twice. Consulting, rooms, general practitioner, groups, practice. Unit 6. Medical practitioner 2. Exercise 1. Make word combination using a word from each box. Example, associate, specialist, house, officer, on call. Exercise 2. Match the descriptions 1-5 with the job titles A, E. Example, Dr. Graham has been a pediatrician for 8 years and is responsible for treating the children admitted to Ward 60. C. Consultant. Dr. Singh has started his training as a surgeon. A. Specialist registrar. Exercise 3. Are the following statements true or false? Find reason for your answers in A, B, and C opposite. Example, a medical graduate becomes registered 2 years after graduation. False. After a year. The system of training doctor in Britain is called the Foundation Program. True. Exercise 4. Complete the text of a PRHO describing her job. When I get to the ward, the first thing I do is talk to the house officer who was on duty during the last check to find out if there have been any new admissions. Then I generally see the charge nurses. He tells me if there is anything that needs needs to be done urgently, such as intravenous lines to put up or take down. Later in the morning, I cleared any new patient, which basically involves taking a history. On Tuesday and Friday morning, the consultant does her work round. And I have to make sure I am completely up to date on her patient. Unit 7, Nurses. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences. Example. Someone who specializes in delivering babies is a midwife. A nurse who has qualified a staff nurse. Exercise 2. Make word combination using a word or phrase from each box. Carry out a procedure. Change a dressing. Check the temperature. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences with the correct grammatical form of perform. Example, biopsy of the pancreas was performed last March. Exercise 4. Complete the sentences with the correct grammatical form of carry out. Example, this procedure can be carried out in the emergency department. Unit 8. Allied health professionals. Exercise 1. Make word combination using a word from each box. Example, ambulance, technicians, artificial, limb, club, sport, health professional. Exercise 2. Which allied health professionals could best help the following people? A young unmarried woman who has just had a baby, social worker. A woman who is having difficulty using her right arm following a fracture, physiotherapist. Someone who needs glasses, optician. Exercise 3. Complete the text. A practiced work youth patients of all ages as a member of a clinical team based at a large hospital. The patients may need a prosthesis as a result of an accident or amputation following a disease such as diabetes. The orthosis may be needed to reposition the body or the rapid pain